Hey guys, so I just want to show you quickly how to basically create a backup of your operating system or create an image of your SD card. And in this case, I have my SD card with Raspian installed, where if you haven't seen my previous video, I have a little program, more specifically Jarvis, which I installed, well, I programmed. And it's basically a personal assistant, I guess, that I'm still developing. But yeah, in this case, I have it in my SD card that has Raspberry installed, and I just want to create an image and a backup just so I can use it in the future. So in this case, yeah, I have it in my SD card and I have a USB adapter which I'm going to connect, and there you go, it pops up. Obviously says format because Windows can't read it, but I know that is USB drive H. Cool. So simply all we're gonna do, go to Google Chrome or whatever Explorer you have, and simply just type in Win32 Disk Imager right there, and first link SourceForge. There you go, just press it. Cool, download it. Now what this tool is gonna help us do is gonna allow us to obviously create a backup or the image ISO file of our SD card. Let me open it right here. And two, so like any installer, obviously open it up, set the agreement, create a desktop shortcut just so it's easier for us to open up and install. Launch. Cool. So once it opens up, all we're gonna do is just quickly select the device. So my device, like I said, was H, so I'm gonna select it. Now in image file, you just wanna open up and just go to anywhere where you wanna save it. In this case, I want to save it in my desktop, and I'm going to save it with the file name Jarvis _ version 1.1, and make sure that at the end you just put .img, yeah, because it will not do it for you. And once that's done, you can just press read. At the bottom you can see an estimated time, so I just get back when it's over. Alright guys, and as you can see, it was read successfully. Now press OK, go back here, that's done pretty much. And as you can see right here, I got my file, Jarvis version 1.1 image file. Cool. Now let's say we in the future we want to write to an SD card. Again, you just open up Win32 Disk Imager, you select the device. In this case, let's say it will be device H, and the image file, obviously you will open up whatever image file you wanna flash. So in this case it will be Jarvis version 1.1. You open it, I'm just gonna press cancel, and then right at the bottom here you will just press write, and you see at the bottom it says write data from image file to device, and obviously you let it go, and once it finishes, and that's it everybody. Well, thank you very much and see you next time.